Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to make tacos and we need all of these ingredients. This is the grounded chicken and also we have garlic paste and we will add salsa and onion powder, and also we have chopped onions and we will add black pepper. Let's start this video. So guys, first of all we will add chopped onion, and this is the preheated 2 tablespoon oil. Okay guys, now I'm adding half teaspoon of garlic. Right after that we will add grounded chicken. And after 2 minutes I'm adding chopped onions, green onions, black pepper, salt, half teaspoon of white pepper, one teaspoon of salsa. Give it a good mix. So guys, let's make the tortillas. These are the tortillas. I got it from Target. So let's fry them first. So guys, let's assemble these tortillas, and first of all I am adding grounded mix. So chicken grounded mix, cabbage, onions, then we will add tomatoes. I'm adding salsa. This salsa is so good in taste, so I'm adding a little bit more. So guys, tacos are ready. Guys, if you like this recipe then please share with others as well, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow me on my Instagram. I will see you guys in the next video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.